Welcome, today we're going to show you how to connect Google AI Studio to Firebase. So it's actually very easy. So the first thing that you need to do is to get the API key from AI Studio. So all you need to do is to open the dashboard as seen from here and then go on the down left corner and click on get API key. From this section, you need to either create a new API key or copy your existing API key that you want to use in your project. So to create an API key, you need to click on here and then you need to name your API key to your project or to anything you want. I will name it Firebase API key, and then from here you need to actually import your project. So you can either import it or create a new project or use old projects that you have. So for this tutorial I will use the default Gemini project and then we'll hit create key. After that, you can just copy this API key and you can go to Firebase from here. You need to log into your Firebase account and then you need to go to Studio. So from here, you need to go to your project. So after you open your project, you need to click on switch to code. And after that, from here, you need to click on the settings on the down left corner. From here, you need to click on settings. And now you need to search for API. So after that, from here you need to paste your API code right here. And that's it. That's how you connect Google Studio AI with Firebase. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.